By the way, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I know that not all of us celebrate Christmas, but we celebrate the holidays in a different way. So happy to all and everybody. Joyous holiday season to everybody. But anyhow, today, if you guys have ground cover like I do, this ground cover is beautiful. It really is. But there's a lot of leaves. I have this tree here that drops a ton of leaves, and you can't walk on this ground cover because if you do, you'll break the branches and they turn brown, they die. So you have to be careful. So that piece of cardboard there, that was from, I guess it was from something that my dad bought. Anyway, I kept the cardboard because I use it to lay on the ground cover. And I'm going to use a leaf sucker-upper. It's you'll see it here in just a moment. I'll show it to you. Yeah, so this is my leaf picker-upper. It's a Toro. It's called the Toro. Zoom in on this thing. It's called the Toro Blower Vac, and it sucks up your leaves. Now, if you have a whole pile of gigantic leaves, it's not going to do the trick. This is just for, medium-sized yards, trees that drop leaves. You get all out there and you gotta suck them up. What's cool about this thing is it actually chops up the leaves and it puts them in this bag. This bag here, this Toro bag. Let me see if we can flip it around and show you a little bit better here. I don't want to make you guys dizzy, but just flip this around so you can see the bag. That's the Toro bag. Okay? So that's what it looks like, and it chops up the leaves real fine, and it goes into that bag. And so I'm going to try to suck up as many leaves as I can. Now, I don't want to take all of them out because I think it looks pretty when some of these colorful leaves are laying right around the base of the tree. Looks neat. It's autumn, but I can't let it get out of hand, right? So I'm going to just try to pick up, do as much as I can, but not get them all up. Yeah, guys, so what's really cool too, is I took a little break. I just set it down for a second. What's really cool too is I have this lava rock. It's beautiful red lava rock, and you can see it right here. You can see some of the sun coming from a angle here. But anyway, you can see all these leaves, right? Anyway, you can't break this, right? You can blow it off to the street, and your neighbors might get a little upset with you when you get leaves on their lawn. But that's my neighbor's lawn. But anyway. So to avoid that, I use this leaf picker-upper. It sucks it up, man. It works great. So I'm going to go ahead and continue. Suck them up. Now, if you have a lawn, I would say you could use this, grass lawn, and pick up your leaves. You could do that if you have a lot of them. Or you could rake them, Nothing wrong with raking your leaves. This is just a little bit quicker way to do it, get the job done. You can see there's a lot of leaves. Ground cover. And you can see how I did it. It's kind of hard in this shade, but these are all the leaves, and you can see where I kind of did right there. You can see where you don't see leaves, right? All that was covered with leaves. Yeah. See, and then come out here and it's gonna look really pretty. I got an edge too. I'll edge today, but anyway, along the sidewalk. But anyway, these are all the leaves. And so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put this cardboard, that cardboard on the ground cover. Okay, so you can see what I've done. I've laid the cardboard down. I'm gonna step on that so it doesn't crush my ground cover because it'll die and turn brown. We don't want that. Lay the cardboard down and I'm gonna keep on going. I'm gonna make a nice circular, kind of like a design, you know, something like a pattern. I don't know if it's not really a pattern, just a nice, cool look, I guess. I don't know what you call it, but it's my creation, right? Our creation, things that we do to make things look a little bit better, look a little bit nicer looking. Anyway.